What you do?
No, I do have 2 videos. No. Is you a YouTuber? No.
Are you a YouTuber?
I'm gonna. Huh? Saya, is you a YouTuber? Hey guys.
Hey guys, welcome back to Culinary Gaming. Don't forget to subscribe.
Hi guys.
Don't forget to subscribe to your channel, right? Right.
Yeah.
Welcome back, you guys. It's your girl CB, and I'm back today with a Munchies video. Lunchbox, you guys, if you have not heard, you guys can go ahead and order them online. I'll put the link below so you guys can see where I'm getting all these goodies from.
Hi guys.
We have the kiddos. We have Star and the kiddos today and their cousin. Go ahead, introduce yourself.
Hey guys, Misa here. We're back on another video. Do you remember, guys, that I went to videos at my dad's house? That was super fun, right?
Right.
And we were just doing our intros. These are my cousins.
Right. These are your cousins.
Subscribe and like and hit that bell on the video.
You guys, I had to get pretty for this video, but alright, let's go ahead and get into this box.
Can I pick first since I'm the
I'm gonna let
oldest?
the kids go ahead and
I'm
pick.
going first since I'm the oldest.
Alright, go ahead.
And me.
No, me first.
God bless you.
It is a strawberry thing.
Where's the list at?
This is a strawberry.
Oh, it's right here.
This is.
This was right in the box. Go ahead and get that out of the way.
This is what it is.
Let me see it. This strawberry thing. Something strawberry, you guys. That sounds yummy, right?
Yeah.
Saya.
But it feels like it's like
Wait.
kind of like a cookie strawberry or something.
Yeah. See?
Juju, come get in a little bit more before you move in.
Can I go ahead and open it?
Alright, yeah, go ahead and open it. So it's a strawberry thing you said, right?
Yeah.
While you're opening it, I'm going to look for it. Let's see what city or where it's from. So it's from Korea, you guys. It's going to be a cookie sandwich with a strawberry cream center. Maybe I should have opened it. No, let's break it up.
Smells good.
Does it?
First,
Alright, let me break it up for everybody.
I want to know it.
You should have.
Alright, you're going to smell it when you get to eat it. Here you
No,
go.
that's his Carter.
Here you go, Z.
Mommy, I used to watch it.
No, you're not.
Alright.
I watched it
It's
No,
not
wait.
mine.
It's a strawberry center.
Is it so good? So good. My mouth's a little dry though.
It tastes like vanilla wafers. Or like strawberry wafers.
That's
Alright, let's bring the box back. Next snack.
Juju, since you're the second oldest.
You have your water right here, buddy.
Go ahead, Juju, since you're the second oldest. Go ahead and close your eyes. I know you.
Nummy.
Drum roll.
You should put that in the editing.
Put that in the editing. Drum
Yeah.
roll. Alright, you guys, let's do a drum roll. Drum roll.
Alright, let's see what you got.
Sorry.
Alright, let's see what you got.
He
It
got-
is from Korea. It is a biscuit snack that tastes like baked potatoes.
That sounds like it's gonna be good.
Alright, let me see how we open this.
I want one.
Alright, so summer has officially started here in
We got out of school
Wurly.
yesterday.
Yesterday.
Yeah, out of school yesterday.
Oh yeah, yesterday was the first day of
Last day.
last day of summer break, but first day of summer. Exactly.
Yeah.
Why are you being so quick to say something? Alright, you guys. Comes in this wrapper like this.
That's not what he got. He got this, mommy.
It is.
Oh.
It came in there.
Right.
Alright, you guys.
I'm so tired.
Here's some for you guys. Here's some for you. Here's some for us.
I'm gonna get the baby one. It doesn't smell like baked potatoes to me.
It doesn't taste bad.
It doesn't smell like baked potatoes to you? It don't even taste. It's a biscuit. It's a baked potato.
I feel
already
like
done.
this pack is gonna taste way better than the other pack we got.
Yeah, if you guys have not checked out, go ahead and check out our last video.
You can go on Culinary Gaming or Life of CB.
Right, for the video of the last box we had. Go ahead, get some water, Z. He needs some more water in that cup because these snacks are no joke, okay? You guys can choose different boxes,
really
whatever
make your
kind of
mouth
box you
dry.
guys want. It has varieties in this box, so all types of
From different worlds?
different worlds, different countries.
No, that's spooky.
All right, Carter, your turn. Go ahead. While Z's
No,
getting his
yeah.
water, pick your thing.
Bro, he cheated, Mommy.
All right, we're gonna do some chips.
Let's see what they got.
They are
I'm back,
a
guys.
plantain chip,
I'll
fried
just
and
get
lightly
some
salted. It is from Peru.
Open it. My mouth is so dry now.
FR.
I wish I go quickly.
All right, tostones with salts. Did I
One
say
of
what
these
it was?
we're gonna spit
It's a
out.
fried plantain, basically, which it's basically a fried banana. Yeah. Okay, this is what it looks like. Show it to the camera.
Let me see. Mommy, this kind of looks like the thing with.
Remember, everything I'm giving you, Z, you don't have to eat all of it. You can take a little bit. If you don't like it, just keep it on the paper towel, okay?
Yeah.
I like this.
Like yes.
It's a fried chip.
It's kind of hard, guys.
That's because it's fried.
You gotta learn hard, guys.
It has a warning sign. I don't know. This has a warning sign. It says be careful of consuming it. Which I don't know if it should have that, but it has something like that.
I don't like it. Look at what it has. Do you not see this gray stuff on it?
It's a banana, but it is this, you guys.
Do you guys not see that stuff on it? There's stuff on it.
Could you go get me some more water, please?
That's because it's
We have a water fountain in the other room, you guys, so we just need to keep putting it in there.
What if you ran out of water?
All right, Z, go ahead.
Close your eyes. Close your eyes.
No, you gotta close your eyes. You can't see what you're picking. Oh, he already picked it.
He saw it, so he just picked it up.
Ooh, what'd you get? What is it?
Oh, unicorn something.
It is Mexican candy. It is from Mexico. It is a tamarind sugar-coated candy.
I knew it was I'm gonna like these.
You knew that?
Yes.
Because you saw it. All right, here, whoa. Let me open it. Show the people on the camera what they look like.
Oh my god, it's so pretty.
Let me see. Let me see.
There's a whole bunch of rainbows.
Woo!
They kind of look. I'm gonna grab a pink.
I want that pink.
Guys, I got a.
Carter, watch out. Stop.
Can I let go?
Ooh, I got
I feel it all on my feet now. I got a pink, a really pretty color. I'm gonna pick this up so that the dog doesn't get it. Do not eat those, Carter.
Yummy.
And 3.
They're good? He said they're good.
It's bad.
Scoot over, baby.
It's really bad.
Juju, you gotta try that candy. Get in the camera.
What is it? What? Just look at the candy.
Yeah, scoot in though.
Mm-mm.
Yeah, that. It's just a little spill of water. But it's getting bigger and bigger.
I don't like it.
You don't like it?
Please stop.
We need to wipe the thing up.
Dude, they can see it. They can see it. There we go.
Oh my god, we need more. Give me the paper towels. Give me Here you go, Z.
Put on top of that paper towel.
You guys, he said it tastes like coffee.
I would taste one more. Like, Mommy, I can taste one more.
That tastes.
It tastes like coffee.
Does it taste like coffee?
It doesn't taste like coffee. Coffee to me, it tastes like M&M's.
Juju, you're out of the camera. Get back in the camera.
It's like butthole.
Mommy, can I pick another one?
Mommy,
All right, go
it's
ahead.
like butthole. And it's like
Mommy
is
is
wet. Mommy is wet inside them. Yeah, it's like butthole. Mommy is wet inside them.
It is a
No,
drink.
we're not. All right, then if we're doing the drink, we gotta chug. Everybody's gotta chug the water in their cup.
Bruh, I got no water in my. I can chug it in literally 1 second. Chug. How to chug that?
All right, you guys.
I can go like.
That was really, really cold. All right, get back in the camera, Z. Let's go.
How does actually chugging it?
All right, you guys. This is a Philippine drink. It is.
Ew.
It looks like it's got like some orange citrus. Did you show them the can?
I
No,
need a
you
drink.
took it
I
right
want-
away.
It is from the Philippines. Is it similar?
I want to take a turn of drinking.
All right. No, we're gonna pour it in our cup.
Okay.
All right, so wait.
I'm still not done.
All right, wait.
Stop.
Well, then go pour it in the sink.
Carter.
Listen, you guys, wait. Let me tell the people
The
what
fans.
the fans
Carter's
exactly.
playing with water.
The fans. Let me tell the fans what kind of drink this is. It is similar to lemonade with a bit more tartness, made from a type of lime, which is
Oopie.
calamansi. Best to throw this in the fridge or ice it up before drinking.
We didn't ice it up. Or did
We didn't, but it's pretty cold.
Let me.
How it could be at the air.
All right, I'm only gonna pour a little bit.
Mommy, I need one for the shop. This one is wet. Let me do.
The last drink, we loved it.
I don't know about that. Carter,
It smells good.
Only
This,
my pick.
mommy, this smells.
stop.
Me.
This smells like this smells like a seed from a
Me.
lemon.
Me.
I'm scared.
Me. Me. That's my cup.
This is
Mommy.
so good.
All right, no, that's his cup. Give him his
Guys,
cup
this
back.
is so good.
All right, I'll give you some.
The
Hold
other
up.
one,
It's so good.
Say that other one,
The
Mommy.
drink is so good. Can I have a little more?
I like more.
It's so good.
You guys like it? Here, I'll give you
Mommy.
some. All right, well, the kids love it,
All
you guys.
it tastes like is lemon.
Rushing.
It tastes like lime. It's literally lime.
You don't like it?
No.
I like lime.
It tastes like lemonade.
It does. It tasted more like lemonade than lime.
Mommy, I said give it to Daddy to see what his face was like.
It's not gonna be
All
sour.
right, whose turn is it next?
Me.
All right, go
Oh
ahead,
no,
Carter.
Juju.
Juju, go
Close
ahead.
your eyes.
No, all right, we're gonna go Carter first. Go ahead, go Carter.
Close your eyes.
We're not closing eyes, not yet.
we are.
Well, no, him. All right, let him go. Whew. You guys, that was like a weird drink. I don't know. The kids loved it though.
I don't know what you're talking about. This is what it looks like.
It is Australia.
Mommy, have you think yours?
It is a chocolate bar with a crunchy toffee bits. Ooh, this sounds good. Yeah, this one, I like chocolate. Who likes chocolate?
Me.
Me.
Mommy, have you think yours?
All right. Can you put some water in that and then we'll drink this?
That was mine, Juju.
I hate
This
that.
is my cup.
I hate. We're going to drink the chocolate.
Yeah.
Chocolate.
No, we're not drinking it. We're gonna eat it.
That's vegetable.
No, it's not.
Peanut butter.
Why does it look?
Peanut butter jelly. Peanut butter jelly. Dad, Mom, yours tastes really bad.
I need to bring me a knife. I need a knife.
These type of knives.
Yeah.
And then,
Sorry, this?
is it going to be my turn next to pick?
No, it's gonna be Juju's.
Who
turn
let
first.
the dogs
You
out?
go last
Oh.
later.
Who let the dogs
You
out?
gotta try these, Mom.
Who
This
let
is
the
what
dogs
it looks
out?
like. That's
Who
what it-
let the dogs out? Who? Is this a dog?
It reminds me of the mop balls, except it's just like a little, it's toffee version.
This tastes so good. This tastes so
Who
good.
let the dogs out? Who let the dogs out?
Move my camera back a little bit, Juju.
I don't know.
Who let the dog out?
It's
Who
good.
let the dog out?
No, move it back a little bit more.
By the way, I'm drinking this water. I'm drinking
Are you? Hi
strawberry
guys.
water.
Hi guys.
Yeah, right there. No. More this way, Juju. Right there. Yep. Right. No.
What?
Right there. Right there.
Huh.
Right there.
You want to place in the micro?
We can.
No, we're gonna keep doing this. Come on. All right, go ahead, Z. Pick the
It's
next
actually
one.
Juju's.
All right, come on, Juju. Next.
Zaire has to go last.
Go ahead.
I mean,
No, you already went, Carter.
I thought.
I have to pick something. Hurry.
Come on, you guys. Let's go.
Okay, let's see it.
Abby. Is it my
It's from
turn?
Taiwan. It says French fries.
It's funny.
It's funny to me.
And I'm trying to finish this, and we can't. You keep clowning the fuck up.
It was a joystick.
All right, you guys.
You can edit it out.
Can you hold on? Edge it out.
I don't care. I'm not changing it.
Me.
It tastes like the veggie sticks, except
Me.
they're just from Taiwan. Yep, Taiwan. All right. While you guys are trying that snack, we're gonna do another one. Next, who wants to pick one?
Me.
Go ahead, Z. Go ahead.
Close your eyes.
We have so many more. Stop.
No, you didn't.
All right, let me see it. They are umbrella cookies. Show them off.
This is my best luck.
They are from Taiwan as well. Crunchy cookies are shaped like little umbrellas and deliciously spiced with cinnamon, star anise, cumin, and cloves. So basically a graham cracker.
I picked the right thing.
All right. Oh my God. Show the people what this looks like.
Oh my god. It actually looks like
There you go,
an
Zane.
umbrella. This actually looks like an umbrella, but like without the stick.
That's why it's called an umbrella stick. Umbrella stick.
They taste like those things that are in the the pretzels. You know what I'm talking about?
Like that at all.
Like the Lunchables, like the
All right. Carter, pick one.
I didn't even have one.
Carter's going next.
Taki.
Yes.
Takis. Now this is a lollipop, so we can't even try it.
Can I?
I'm gonna let my kids try it. Wait, hold up.
Did I have a taste?
This is a sucker, so we really can't have a taste of it, Z. We'll open it. Look, you're gonna have to get some scissors and cut it right up. Here. All right. Me being the mom, I'm gonna try it before y'all. So it comes with some powder inside, and with this little lollipop. Oh no! Go get me some water. Hurry. Water. Hurry.
Is it spicy?
I don't know why I tried that. I don't know. I don't like
Is
it.
it spicy?
Yeah.
Bro, that's a whole one of a taki.
I want to try.
Wait, you guys, it's a sucker. We all can't try it.
I want to try it.
Z, you probably are the only one that's not gonna be able to try it because you're not like related to the kids. Like you're related by blood, but you know what I'm saying?
Give me it. Let me see. You want to see it? Mommy.
All right, I'm gonna try pick the next one.
Oh.
It says it is cocoa coated cake with banana sauce.
Let me show them it.
Yeah, show it.
Guys, I'm gonna show you. I gotta go up close so you guys can see it. This is what it looks like. It's in a
It
white.
says it is a sponge cake with banana filling and a chocolate top. Dude, why are you drinking? Gross, that's disgusting. I don't want it. Go grab me a fresh cup, please. Pause. We're gonna take a big quick break.
Mommy!
What? No, just keep going. Hurry, go.
Mommy, what? Oh, it's deep and I need to go into this. Mommy, that stays like Donkey.
You guys, my kid's so moving. I think he's going to puke. He's probably
What did he try?
Oh shit. Mom, take him to the sea. Do you have to puke? Do you have to
You want me to take you to the
puke?
bathroom?
Do you have to puke? Mom,
Come on. I'll take you to the bathroom.
Go.
Come on,
You
hurry.
need a puke?
Hurry,
I say right foot, 2, 1, really heat. I don't mean yes, I don't even see.
what does he want?
I don't know.
Now wash his. Put that water on for him.
What's going on?
Oh my god, you guys.
I feel like I'm about to puke.
Where's my cup of water? Chloe, I know you didn't just go get me all that little water. Go pour me a whole cup. Go.
I have to bring this out as Stody.
No, stop. It's fine.
It's Stody. Let's see.
That's on the bottom.
I don't want that.
That's on the outside of the cup.
I think it's still down in my mouth.
Oh. Alright, you guys.
Yeah.
We're going to go ahead and keep it moving.
Mommy, I thought I had to do.
Can I try?
Yeah, we're all going to try.
Yeah,
Mommy, I thought I had to do.
It is, but you were playing around with your little right foot. Alright, this is a banana. I just chopped it up into a million little pieces. So here's yours.
It kind of looks like toast.
Now let that dog outside for me, please.
Guys, this looks like toast. Mini toast.
Here you go.
No, why would it?
No, Baloo. Saya, do not bet him. No.
This actually tastes like a
Come on, Blue.
banana.
Baloo.
Blue, come on.
I don't like that.
Blue, come on.
You guys, she must not like bananas.
Come on.
Come on.
Oh, when you first try it, it tastes like a banana, and then the
All
second
right.
try, but like,
Juju, come on, give that to Grandma so she can throw it away. Or give it to Grandma so she can throw it away.
Okay. Come on.
Come on.
can I pick something?
I guess.
Hurry, come on.
Alright, that's something we can't, and you guys are not going to eat. It's the tamarind candy. It is from Mexico. I know you guys are, a lot of you guys are familiar with this one. It goes in drinks that they make. We're not going to try this one because it is like a sucker as well.
So
It tastes like, it literally tastes
like.
like this candy that we had earlier. Literally the inside of it, the tamarind
So
candy.
I have to do it again.
Here you go. You can pick that one. Oh, here. Yeah, go ahead. Alright. We're gonna...
Yes, thank you. We got this. It kind of looks like a donut. I
Let
think
me
it
see.
is.
It's a donut cake. It is from Turkey. It is a chocolate-covered donut with chocolate filling. Sounds good. All right, let's go ahead. Let's open it. Ooh, it looks like a donut.
Me.
Ooh, and it broke up.
Me.
Probably because it's really soft.
So it literally looked like. Oh,
No,
stop.
We actually have
Alright.
some donuts from Dunkin Donuts.
Here you go,
Mom, I
Juju.
don't want that.
Here you go, Z.
I'm scared. Give me a small.
Here you go.
It's good.
Here you go, Chloe.
You got it. She had to give me the big piece.
Tastes like a powdered chocolate donut.
It tastes good. What's Carter's nickname? Deshaun. Wait, no. His name, he doesn't
Carter.
have it. Carter.
All right, pick one. Pick one out of the box. If y'all hear music, that is my boyfriend next door. He is playing music right
He's
now.
not even in there.
Alright. It is the Jaguar Baker. Go ahead and show it.
It kind of looks like corn.
I'm pretty sure this is from Indonesia. It is a barbecue flavored aired corny sticks.
That sounds
Ooh, I don't know if I'm gonna eat this.
I cannot smell it.
Here you go. See.
This tastes like that,
It tastes like corn puffs.
Yeah, we do.
Just like corn puffs. Butter corn puffs. That's what it tastes like. And that was from Turkey, I think. No, Indonesia. Alright, Z, pick one.
It's my turn.
Alright, Clay, pick one.
Yeah, I'll pick this. Oh my god, I picked this.
The Bian croissant is from Turkey. It says a flaky, soft mini croissant filled with creamy chocolate. This sounds like it'd be good if it was warmed up in the microwave.
Yeah.
Alright, let me...
I think you're gonna cut me.
Guys, so sorry for our messy
Table. And then you go.
table.
I need you to open.
I don't know why you were trying to open it.
Because I'm smart.
Alright, so it literally looks like a croissant, you guys. It would be
I can't
so
see it all the way back
perfect
here.
if it was warmed up.
They have croutons at 7-Eleven, and oh no, the filling. I'm not happy now.
Why?
I'll try a little bit, except for the filling.
I don't know what that was, but I mean,
I'm not trying the middle part.
from Turkey, you guys. I mean, it's different. We'll just say that. I don't know where's. I think our cousin just went to go use the bathroom. Go look for Z. Where's Z at?
In the bathroom? Okay.
In the bathroom.
Jay,
I figured.
just so did. Say started.
All right, so we have two left. We have one. It's called a curly whirly, and this one it is a French pie. The French pie is from Korea. It is a butter biscuit with a strawberry jam filling. And our curly whirly, here you go, Z.
Nobody ate that one.
I
Is
think
it
I
my
did.
turn now?
We're already done. Here, try that one.
Mommy, I made you
And the curly whirly is from the UK. It is a chewy caramel chocolate covered in chocolate. We're gonna save that one for last because I think that will be my favorite because it is by Cadbury. It's a popular one. All right,
Mommy.
show them the French pie.
Mommy, this thing, I made you
Z, come sit down with us. Last
Mommy.
two.
Mommy,
And then we're going to say bye. All right, with
Mommy.
this one.
the middle one is
It's
this
chocolate.
one, yeah.
All right, so it comes with like a strawberry top to this. And what we're going to do is just...
Mimi. I want this piece. I mean, my wife's waffle. Mim.
Here, Clay.
Oh, I don't want it. No, G, you have to try it. Alright, then you're out of the video.
That one I said was from
Turkey.
Korea. And last but not least, our curly whirly, which I've never seen this in our stores, but I have seen some Cadbury's. Never seen this one.
That's not in our store because it's in a different country.
Right, but we have some of stores sell this brand. Ooh, look, it comes like this.
Oh,
It's got like a.
Yum.
All right, so. Ooh, what is this?
That? It's
Here you go.
it's like a curly thing inside. Like when you break it. No, what?
Here you go.
I'm gonna try
one's my favorite. Out of the whole box, my favorite.
My whole.
Yeah? Is this your favorite? Let's get back on the video. Is this one of your favorite? Out of the whole thing, this one's your favorite?
I wish we would have picked this one first.
Alright, you guys, so if you like this video and you guys want to try some other snacks, go ahead and make sure you look up Munchbox. It is online. I paid like $25 for my first box, or maybe 15, I'm not quite sure. It takes a few weeks to get to your house because it is coming from a different country and they're trying to gather all these chocolates up to send it out to you. They also have all variety of different type of countries you could choose from too. Even if you want just Mexico, you could just get just Mexican candy or just Korean candy or snacks from, you know, just the US, etc, etc, etc. Make sure you guys keep watching. Stay tuned to my channel, Life with CB.
And don't forget to subscribe and like and hit that bell at Clonator Gaming. I will be posting more gaming videos in summer.
Yeah, she's out of school, so more videos to come. But go ahead and make sure you subscribe to this channel, like the video, and make sure you hit that post notification bell so you are tuned in when I post new videos, you guys. Thank you guys so much, and thanks for watching our Life with CB. Say bye.
Bye.
Go ahead, Juju.
I'm
Hit
gonna
that
go.
right foot. Here, I'll go ahead and record you guys so it could be the ending.